Oblong-shaped basket is ideal for frying large pieces of chicken or fish. Select from a variety of frying temperatures with the adjustable thermostat. Signal light indicates when the oil is ready for frying. Both the heating element and enameled pot are removable for easy cleaning. Cover with filter serves as a splatter shield when lowering foods into hot oil. Professional-style deep fryer is a convenient at-home size. 1800-watt immersion element provides quick preheating and fast oil temperature recovery. Big 8-cup food capacity for frying family-size batches. Steams and boils too. Versatile fry, steam basket is great for vegetables and seafood. 120-volt 60 Hz only. Top reviews from the United States. Tostadas and wings anytime. Homemade tostada tortillas are the absolute best, pictured. Likewise hot wings and fries, which taste much better than most of what I've eaten in restaurants. This machine is perfect for 1 or 2 people. The basket is too small for a family, but great for my needs. It heats up quickly, and is relatively easy to clean. I read the brief instructions, but I get the best advice and suggestions for use by searching for my favorite fried foods on YouTube. I've gotten some bad advice by video, but useful hints and recipes far more often. The only caveat about using this fryer, something others have mentioned, is the sharp edges of the enamel pot. I wouldn't say it's dangerous, but be careful not to slide your fingers along those top edges. I shopped around for the best deep fryer, and this one ticked all the boxes for me. I especially like the enamel pot, which provides the most neutral surface for this type of cooking. Otherwise, it's such a simple machine that there's not much to say about it. It takes up very little counter space if you must leave it out. I worked in burger joint kitchens when I was a young guy, and believe me, there's nothing pro about this fryer, but it is definitely more than adequate for home cooking.